Welcome to Istanbul, where history meets modern charm. If you're planning a trip, here are the top 10 things you absolutely must do to make your visit unforgettable. From ancient wonders to vibrant streets, let's dive in. Start your journey at Istanbul's heartbeat, Istiklal Street and Taksim Square. This bustling avenue is packed with cafes, shops, street performances, and the famous red tram. Whether you're exploring in the day or experiencing the electric nightlife, this area never sleeps. Step into the lavish world of the Ottoman sultans at Dolmabahce Palace. With its crystal chandeliers, gold ceilings, and breathtaking Bosphorus views, this European-style palace is a must-visit for history lovers. Looking for Instagram-worthy spots? Balat and Fener are known for their colorful houses, historic churches, and hidden cafes. Take a stroll through these charming neighborhoods for a taste of old Istanbul. A trip to Istanbul isn't complete without a Bosphorus Cruise. Sail between two continents as you pass grand palaces, ancient fortresses, and stunning waterfront mansions. Go for a sunset cruise for the most magical views. Welcome to a world of flavors at the Spice Bazaar. This historic marketplace is filled with exotic spices, Turkish delights, and aromatic teas. A sensory experience you can't miss. With over 4,000 shops, the Grand Bazaar is one of the oldest and largest markets in the world. Whether you're looking for handmade carpets, jewelry, or souvenirs, this is a shopper's paradise. Once the home of Ottoman sultans, Topkapi Palace offers a glimpse into royal life. Explore its stunning courtyards, sacred relics, and breathtaking views of the Golden Horn. One of Istanbul's most iconic landmarks, the Blue Mosque, is known for its stunning domes and intricate blue tiles. Whether you're admiring it from the outside or stepping inside for a moment of peace, it's a sight you won't forget. A masterpiece of Byzantine and Ottoman history, Hagia Sophia has stood for over 1,500 years. Once a church, then a mosque, then a museum, and now a mosque again. Its beauty and history are unmatched. For the best sunset in Istanbul, head to Pierloti Hill. Overlooking the Golden Horn, this peaceful spot is perfect for a cup of Turkish tea as you watch the city light up. And there you have it, the top 10 things to do in Istanbul. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more travel inspiration. See you in the next adventure.